Today we have our 7th annual STEM conference, so we've got 19 different schools from the local area that have attended. We've got our own sixth form students that have taken part in a number of different workshops designed to give our students and the students within the local area an idea about the different types of careers within the industry. We're really fortunate that we've entered into a 5-year partnership with Our Future Starts Here. So this is a really special partnership focused on climate, sustainability and change. After the STEM conference, we have our Careers and Progression evening. We have over 90 different exhibitors that will be in attendance. They're here to give our students some hints and tips. So in terms of how do they progress, what are their next progression opportunities.
Displaying to the younger people in our community what's available at an early age when they're sort of choosing their options, they're able to navigate the path, perhaps think of something that they hadn't considered before.
A lot of practicals, a lot of getting to know people, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. It's inspired me to go off and maybe research more and learn more and just dig deeper into the world of sciences.
I'm definitely leaning towards engineering and more quantitative fields like actuarial science. It's been really helpful, and the questions I've been able to ask has given me more insight. The conference today has made me feel really inspired about my future.